Hey there. In this video I am going to show you how to make disk partitions, delete a partition and to extend a partition. Before proceeding, a humble request to you: if you haven't subscribed my channel so far, please subscribe. So let's start. First of all, click on Start button and search and open Computer Management. On the left side, click on Storage and then on Disk Management. All the partitions of your disk will be shown in front of you. Before making partitions, you need to check which partition style your system has. To check partition style, right-click on Disk and click on Properties. Then click on Volumes. In Disk Information, the fourth line shows your partition style. My partition style is GPT. Some people may have MBR partition style. The main difference between MBR and GPT is the number of partition you can make. In MBR system you can make only 4 partitions, whereas in GPT system you can make up to 128. There are many other differences between MBR and GPT, but I will discuss that in other video. Now to make a new partition, right-click on that particular partition from which you want to make a new partition. Click on Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space to shrink partition. For example, I want to make a partition of 50 gigabytes. So I will multiply 50 with 1024, which will give me 51,200 in answer. But you should not enter the exact number. You must enter the amount by increasing through 50 to 60 megabytes. So I will enter here 50,250 instead of 51,200. Now you can see the desired amount of data has been separated from partition, but it is not allocated to our system. Now right-click on it and click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Again click on Next. Computer will automatically assign a letter to new partition, but you can choose yourself as well. Click on Next. The format should be NTFS. You can give a name to new partition. Like I gave the name USA. Check the box if you want to compress files and folders on this partition. Click on Next. And after all, click on Finish. You can see the partition has been made, and the figure is exact 50.0 gigabytes, not 49.9 gigabytes. Now let's learn how to delete the partition. Click on particular partition you want to delete. But remember, there shouldn't be any important data on the partition to be deleted. Right-click on Partition. Then on Delete Partition. After all, click on Yes. Deleted partition will be shown as unallocated space. Now right-click on the partition from which you have made it. Click on Extend Partition. Click on Next. Again click on Next. Then click on Finish. You can see partition has been deleted. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more such type of videos.